All right, I have the professional video and broadcast microphone kit I got from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link so you guys can go look at more information about this product down in the description part of the page. If you can, go ahead and give me a like. And so I'm just gonna give a review of this. I got this. It was about 85, 90 bucks off of Amazon. I use it for recording some audio directly into my SLR mirrorless camera. All right. So this right here, my DSLR mirrorless camera. Let me correct myself. So anyway, I got this because I wanted better audio quality than what comes out of my camera. Currently, I have a Sony A7R Mark III. All right, very good camera, and I use it for video for sometimes. So I got this. And what it is basically is just a microphone that you can connect to. It's a shotgun mic basically, a boom mic, shotgun mic, whatever you want to call it. It comes with this microphone right here. You see right there, as well as a handle right here, and it has rubber bands right here. I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna open it up and show you that help keep the vibration from going into the microphone, which really works really well. And it comes like right here. It shows like things that it comes there: adjustable shock and stand mounts, camera shoe adapter, furry wind muff, and phone windshield. Both of them are very good. 26-foot XLR extension cable, 1.5-foot XLR, 3.5 millimeters XLR to XLR cables, and cushion hand grip, as well as a 6.3 millimeter adapter plug-in. Okay, and well, it also comes with a AA battery, which helps the microphone run on power. With this microphone, you can run on phantom power or regular power. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. The kit's really good. It's, you know, you can take it pretty much everywhere. It doesn't come with a boom pole, so you have to just use it like a hand grip. But I just bought a boom pole. I'm gonna leave that in the description. Part of the page too of what I got a boom pole for like 13 bucks from off of Amazon, so it works well. So inside, here goes that furry wind muff. Okay, works out really well right here. The wind muff, taking out the sound of the wind, as well as the foam wind muff. I like to use the furry wind muff because I think it works a little bit better. It's a little bit kind of creepy though, wouldn't you say? That's the furry wind muff. And inside, let's look at what here is. Here's the microphone actually, right? There's the microphone, and the battery goes in. I'm not going to screw this off, but like you unscrew this right here, and the battery goes in. Better yet, I'm just going to go ahead and unscrew it. So like right here, as I said, you can run off phantom power, and then you can just have it on for the power right there. So I'm going to unscrew this and just show you the battery that goes in here. Now the quality is good. You pay 89 bucks for. There's the battery in there. Do you see that? You just slide that AA battery in. I'm just gonna screw it in for 85 to 90 bucks. I mean, this is a good deal. Is it the best shotgun mic in the world? No, but it does give you better quality, greater quality, more concise quality sound than actual camera mic will ever give you. Now look right here. This right here, you can actually mount this onto your camera if you want to. There's a little shoe right there. And then here goes, I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on just so the light, it looks kind of cool. This is the XLR adapter. This is the female. You just plug this into the back, and then this actually plugs into my camera. My particular camera takes this mini, is it 3.5 millimeter right here. This right here is for mounting it on to a mic stand. You can do that. I have a boom pole, and this is what I'm going to mount it on. This right here is an XLR output. That's a female, and then there's a male in right there if you have a connection like that. Here are some extra rubber bands. Now, these rubber bands are very important because you can see right here, the microphone actually is being held up by the microphones. And the reason why these are here, because these rubber bands slow down the vibration. So you're not getting vibration if you tap the microphone stand or whatnot. You're not going to pick it up, or you won't pick it up that much because the rubber bands actually absorb the vibration. So here's some rubber bands just in case those pop or they fall off. Now let's look in here. They have more things. This is the grip handle. So you can actually screw the handle, like right here. I'm gonna show you right here. You can screw the handle and it works like a pistol grip, okay? So I'm gonna screw the handle in, and then actually, once I screw that in, you can put the mic, you can set it up a certain way, unscrew this and put this. I'm not gonna demonstrate right now because for the sake of time, and actually have the mic just like that, and you can go ahead and record, okay? This right here is the adapter plug right here for this, just in case you need to plug into something like larger. And this is the 26-foot XLR extension cord, okay? This is great. It can get in the way, but you're gonna need it, especially like if you're gonna be shooting from far away, you're gonna need an extra long cord, and they supply that. It's a female and male into that, so that works out well. So this is the microphone kit that I got. Don't forget to check the description part of the page for more information about this, and let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to give me a like. Thanks a lot.